Hi everybody and welcome to Survival Dads. So in this video we're taking a look at this. This is my new camp first aid kit. It's been put together by myself and this is kind of a solo duo kit. So it's what I'll take with me if I am going on a short camp by myself or perhaps with someone else. So it is in a Combat UK small molly pouch. Here you have the molly straps on the outside. So I've chosen this kind of pouch simply because if I've got the room in my pack I can have it on the outside, and also when I get to my location I can slap it on a tree, just like hook it on kind of like that, so I can find it and anyone else I'm with can find it also. Really awesome pouch. There will be a separate video on this, so if you want to look at that please do. But for now we're going to be focusing on the actual kit itself. So I have put some Cyflect on the Velcro on the front. This is a reflective and also glow in the dark material, so I put that on there, and I also put a universal first aid kind of medical patch on the front as well. On the zippers I have put a Polymath Products glow tag on each, again just to help me find it easier if it's in the dark, also in the daytime. Obviously it is quite a dark pouch. If it's on the floor and it's summer I might not find it without all this reflective and bright stuff on it. If the wind is causing some problems, I do apologise. I have kind of set up a little shelter to keep some of the wind out, but it's pretty windy, so I apologise if that's the case. But bear with me and I'll take you through this first aid kit. I'll open it up and I'll show you what's inside. Okay, so straight off the bat we have some bug bite relief. Simply in case I forget to apply some insect repellent to a certain area and I get a bite, nothing ruins your camping experience more than bites. So I'll put some bite relief inside. I have a eye torch, provides zero illumination and also can be used for first aid purposes. Some heat packs, keep warm when it's cold. If someone's injured they tend to get cold quite quickly, so putting this in some vital areas to get that blood a bit warmed up is quite good, so I put some in there. I have an Israeli dressing. This is the small, I believe it's the 4-inch. Really good to have a trauma dressing inside your first aid kit. I have some wound clot gauze. This is a small amount. This is not really for wound packing. This is for dealing with one of those nasty nicks on your finger or something like that, where it's just not stopping bleeding with direct pressure. So slapping some of this in it will hopefully stop the bleeding. Next up we have a foil Mylar blanket. This is obviously for preventing hypothermia. Again, if someone's injured, someone's cold, they're going to be going into hypothermia, and that's something we do not want. So put one of these in there. Next up I have a SWAT T tourniquet. Really cool bit of kit, very multi-purpose. It can be used as a pressure dressing, can be used to help splint limbs, and also can be used as a tourniquet. The only problem with this style is it's not really very good for a single arm application, but in a camp setting I would think that the major risk to my body is probably the lower limbs. In that situation this should be absolutely fine. Next up I have a pair of Nitrile Gloves if someone is treating me or I'm treating someone else, help prevent cross-contamination. I have an ultra bright 30-minute white glow stick, again to help with that area illumination and also rescue. I have a tick removal tool, or two to be precise. Probably the most vital part of any first aid kit is a good tick removal tool. Where I live in the country there are quite a few ticks. Hopefully there's none worming the way towards me right now, but if there is, I have something to deal with it. Next up, I have some Diorolite. If someone is perhaps been vomiting or diarrhea and they're losing a lot of bodily fluids and salts and things like that, some fluid replacement is vital. So I just try to put this in to help kind of improve your day. Also works well for hangovers, so handy for a camp. Next up I have a couple of plasters, nothing special, just to deal with those small minor nicks. Next I have a couple of antiseptic cleaning wipes. Hygiene's important, keeping wounds clean is also important. So added some of these in there. Put a little emergency sachet of insect repellent inside. Obviously, I like to carry some like pyramid products, insect repellent in my bag, but just in case I forget or I run out, I've got a little emergency pouch in there as well. Okay, last but by no means least, what is a camp without a fire or a hot meal at least? When there's hot things, especially around me, I tend to burn myself, so some burn shield I think is of vital importance. So this helps cool, helps protect, and take some of the pain away, so definitely added some of that. And that is it for the first aid kit. So what do you think? Am I missing something from this? Is there anything that you'd take out because you feel is not necessary? Thanks for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you soon.